Here numerical is 4.12 n. Here 2 pi m. Although they given q value, force is equals to, we have to calculate the force. Charge value, q value is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Magnetic field andre 6.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4. ಹೌದಾ minus 4 divided by 2 into 3.14 pi value into m ಅಂದರೆ 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 mass of the electron. 1.6 into 6.5 ಅಂದರೆ we will get 10.4. 2 into 3.14 ಅಂದರೆ we will get 57.148 into here 10 to the power minus 19 minus 4 ಅಂದರೆ we will get minus 23. This one minus 31, 10 to the power of minus 31. Here F is equals to 10.4 divided by 57.148 means we will get 0.18 into 10 to the power of minus 23, 10 to the power of minus 31, it in denominator. If you shift it to the numerator, it becomes 10 to the power 31. So F is equals to 0.18 into 10 to the power of minus 23 plus 31 will be 10 to the power 8. So F is equals to 0.18 into, if I simplified the power na simplified ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 6, we can write like this, 10 to the power 8, I return 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 6. Here F is equals to 0.18, 0.2 is 0.2. If you cancelled decimal after 2 digit, here I can write 10 to the power 2, otherwise 100. So here equals to into 10 to the power 2, if you expanded that you will get 100, and 10 to the power 6 is as it is same. Next node 0.8 divided by 100, you will get F is equals to 18 into, if you simplified these all things, these 2 0 cancel, remaining 18 into 10 to the power 6 or the hertz. Here we calculated the frequency. Here I calculated the frequency. F is equals to 18 into 10 to the power of 6. It's nothing but megahertz. This is the answer, and we calculated the frequency.